guys, so today I'm going to show you guys here the 2024 remake of my Hunter Local file. So you can install in the bar. So today we're going to show you guys here. Sign. Alright, so I'm going to got some like oak and those are like blades. So these blades are facing down. As you can see, the blades face down. And these blades here, but can't really see them because of the camera vision. And also, and the chains I had before this chain, there's like a ribbon chain. Before this chain, there's like a ribbon chain. There's like a ribbon chain that goes right here. My little kid's rest of it. One little kid like down like that snapped off, which is like that was in 2022. So and then that one before that there was like here. There's like a chain. There's like a chain, small like here, like small chain, it's curled up like that. It's really small, like curled up like this, but not really. But curled up like that in the 20s. So, and the 19. So in the 2000, because this basement is like finished. Like the lighting of that fan is on a Hunter Beacon Hill, which I showed you earlier. As you can see, the date is like inside the fan, but it's at more healthy. But let's take a look for here. I'm gonna take the tripod. I'm gonna take the tripod off. So like, look, take a look. Alright, so you can't really see it, but you can't really see it, but that's alright. You can't really see it, but you can't see it through the motor. Where'd the ever go? Nothing. I don't think this fan replaced anything, but it replaced something, but I'm not sure where to. So this fan's like been up for a long time. And the Hunter logo. The Hunter. The Hunter logo. Not sure what the Hunter logo is. Sorry about my camera. Sorry about my camera, so sorry about my shaky camera. Sorry about the camera. As you can see, I'll show you guys here the Hunter logo, which I did show on the Beacon Hill, but there it is. But there it is, Hunter logo on the Beacon Hill. I'll show you. It's right here on the Beacon Hill. So, and also, we're gonna get this ready. So, has that fan pole chain. It's the only fan in the house that doesn't have a light kit, but it's the only fan. It's the only fan in the house, but that doesn't have a light kit because I think of like maybe like we should put a light. I don't know. I think if my fan was like gonna have like a light. So this is a reverse switch, and as you can see, but that broke. So it used to be on high note speed, but that whenever the chain broke, snapped off. When it was broken, it was stuck on high, but it was like stuck on high, but not anymore. It was stuck on high, but not anymore. But it was stuck on high, but not anymore. So I'm gonna show you here. Now show you guys the demonstration of it. So I'm gonna get my camera set up. Get my camera set up. Alright, sorry about my camera. Alright, here goes low. Alright, here goes low. This one didn't have a back capacitor, but the fan didn't have a back capacitor, but it's alright. But it still works, fine. But before the chain snapped off, before the current chain, because the fan, like here, like high, off, medium, high, medium, off, low. Like high, medium, off, low, but it's like, but placing the chain, and it made capacitor better, so made it capacitor good. But made it and it made it capacitor good. Side, reverse. So, all right, medium. Looks like medium's like a lot like low. Not really, because that's like a low. The low speed is like a little bit slow, but the low speed is like a little slow, but not too slow. The medium's like a lot like low, but a little bit like low, so. But the electricity bill is really good, so I can do them. It's like low, but and here goes high. High speed here goes, because it's like dust. The dust is in here, but my family, we didn't get to so we didn't replace it. It was still up, but it looks fine. But we didn't want to replace it, so we decided to get it fixed. So we decided to get it fixed, because the old chain, but we threw it away, because the ribbon chain, we just threw it away. Alright, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!